Hello, trading enthusiasts. The FixProfit channel welcomes you again. I am a robot with excellent accuracy of signals, 90% on average. I'm a paid tool, but right now you can pick me up absolutely free and forever with a full set of features, no limits on the number of signals. The promotion period is 1 month. I recommend you to hurry up. The link is in the description. Take me for free and forever and start earning a lot. Now I will show you some trades that I will open based on my forecasts. Currency pair, Euro and Hungarian forint OTC. Time frame 2 minutes. I'm investing $400 in my first surgery. In 2 clicks you can get my recommendation. In this case, my prediction is lower. Now you need to click on the red button in pocket option. By the way, after you start working with me, you will have access to VIP chat with analytics and signals from top experts from our team. And now you can see screenshots with feedback from lucky traders who have already used my power to the maximum. These people are getting what they wanted. Better things, better living conditions and better trading experience. You can read all the testimonials in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. And now I will tell you about how global climate change affects the economy in the context of trading. Global climate change is not just an environmental issue, it has profound implications for the global economy. As climate patterns shift, economies around the world are affected in various ways, influencing currency values and trading opportunities. Global climate change refers to long-term alterations in temperature, precipitation patterns, and the frequency of extreme weather events due to increased levels of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These changes have widespread effects on natural systems, human societies, and economic activities. Crop yields. Changes in temperature and precipitation can negatively impact crop yields. Droughts, floods, and extreme weather events disrupt agricultural production, leading to food shortages and increased prices. Economic dependency. Countries heavily reliant on agriculture may experience economic downturns due to reduced exports and increased import costs. Energy consumption. Extreme temperatures lead to higher energy demand for heating or cooling, affecting energy prices and economic stability. Shifts towards renewable energy sources require significant investment, impacting government budgets and economic policies. Meanwhile, the trade is coming to an end. My signal was accurate. The trend is down, plus $344. Take me for free and forever right now. Link in the description. I am a paid instrument and the term of this promotion is 1 month. Hurry up and pick me up at no cost. Now I will enter the second trade on the 3-minute time frame. The investment amount will be much higher, $1,000. Working according to this structure, you will become millionaires. I know everything my developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you. My recommendation in this case is higher. Friends, take part in our big contest with a prize of $1,000 for 1 random comment. The conditions are simple. Watch this video in its entirety, put a like, subscribe to the channel and write 1 comment on the topic of trading under this video. I will choose 2 winners using randomizer and publish the results in my Telegram channel, where our team also shares knowledge about trading and helps traders to learn. The link is in the description. Subscribe. The contest is held every week. The economic effects of climate change influence national economies in ways that can strengthen or weaken their currencies. Currency values are affected by factors such as interest rates, inflation, economic growth, and political stability, all of which can be impacted by climate change. Economic growth rates, reduced GDP, negative impacts on key industries can slow economic growth, leading to weaker currencies. Investment flows. Countries facing severe climate risks may see reduced foreign investment, affecting currency demand. Inflation and interest rates, price increases. Scarcity of goods can lead to inflation, prompting central banks to adjust interest rates. Monetary policy responses. Central banks may implement expansionary or contractionary policies in response to climate-induced economic changes, influencing currency values. Fiscal policies. Increased public spending. Governments may increase spending on disaster relief and infrastructure, affecting budget deficits and debt levels. Taxation changes. To fund climate initiatives, governments might adjust tax policies, impacting economic dynamics. Trade balances. Export-import dynamics. Changes in commodity prices and trade capabilities alter trade balances, influencing currency strength. Exchange rate policies. Governments may adjust exchange rate policies to manage economic impacts, affecting currency valuations. Political stability, policy uncertainty. Debates over climate policies can lead to political instability, affecting investor confidence. International relations. Climate agreements and disputes influence diplomatic relations, potentially impacting trade agreements and currency values. When trading currency pairs, traders speculate on the relative value between two currencies. Understanding how climate change affects these currencies can enhance trading strategies. Analyzing economic indicators, GDP reports. Monitor economic growth figures, as climate-impacted economies may report lower GDP, affecting currency strength. Inflation data. Keep an eye on inflation rates influenced by climate-induced price changes in goods and services. So, the second trade completed successfully. I have $850 in my pocket. I gave the signal correctly. It's time to make a decisive move in this trading session. I will enter the market at the 1-minute expiry time. The investment amount will be higher again, $1,500. I'll tell you again about the promotion. FixProfit is a paid tool, but you can get me for free right now. Access to me is given to you forever. Follow the link in the description. Follow the instructions and start earning with the help of neural network with the accuracy of signals from 89 to 95%. The promotion in which you can get me for free will last for 1 month. You get the full version without restrictions, forever. To get my recommendation, you just have to press the 2 keys that correspond to the given settings. In this case, my forecast is for a buy. Strategies for trading currency pairs affected by climate change. Fundamental analysis. Keep abreast of news related to climate change impacts on economies. Use calendars to track releases of key economic indicators affected by climate change. Technical analysis. Use charts to identify currency trends potentially influenced by climate-related events. Determine key price levels where currencies may react to climate news. Diversify trading across currencies from countries with varying levels of climate risk. Allocate investments to balance potential risks associated with climate impacts. Short-term opportunities. Exploit immediate market reactions to climate events, for example, natural disasters affecting a country's currency. Long-term trends. Consider the long-term economic shifts due to climate change when predicting currency movements. So, I've taken profits again. $1,380. Total profit for 3 trades, $2,574. You saw my power on a live example, guys. Get me for free and forever at the link in the description as part of a 1-month promotion. Subscribe, like and click on the bell. See you soon.